Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on this laptop. First of all, check if you have an internet connection. To do that, click the three icons on your status bar and check if you are connected to the internet, whether by Wi-Fi or using mobile data. Then open the Start menu and go to Settings. Select Windows Update section on the left side of the window, and then if you don't have any updates prepared on this page, click Check for Updates and wait until Windows checks if there are any updates available. For additional updates, you can go to Advanced Options and selecting Optional Updates. If there are any updates right here, you can select which ones you want to download and install by hitting the checkbox next to them and then selecting download and install button in the bottom right corner of this page. Once Windows finds any updates for your computer, they will automatically start downloading and installing on your PC, and once they are installed, you might have to restart your computer in order to apply changes. In such case, you will get notified both with notification in the bottom right corner of your screen and on this page. In my case, I don't have to restart my computer to apply changes, but if you do have, then you can simply go to your power options and select restart. And that's basically how you update Windows. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.